Yo guys, welcome back with me, Ken Boy. In this video, I'm going to tell you my 10 years of day trading knowledge in just 10 minutes. Okay? For those who doesn't know me, I'm Ken Boy. I'm the founder of Fortune Markets and also a professional trader with over 10 years of experience and have made more than $1 million of profits. So let's begin. In this video, I'm going to tell you 4 day trading mistakes that beginners usually make. Okay, number 1, not going full margin on their leverage trading account. So it might be a little bit controversial because as you see, all the gurus out online, all the mentors out online, if you watch YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, they're all telling you, use small lot sizes, use small position size. Well, that's their advice. I think that's not 100% true. Why? Because leverage trading, or when you're trading Forex or futures, basically trading with leverage is a high-risk instrument. It's a high-risk activity by itself. So why would you try to limit the risk, but it will also limit your potential gains? Because the first reason you are going with leverage anyway is you want higher gains, right? Higher potential gains, but you should know that with higher gains, of course, it inherently brings more risk. High risk, high reward. Low risk, low reward. That's the rule of the game. So when you try to limit your risk, but also limiting your potential gains by using small lot sizes, small position sizes, it contradicts with the instruments itself. On one end, if you trade with high leverage, you're increasing the risk, but also it increases the potential gains. On the other hand, you try to lower the risk, but also try to lower the potential gain. So it contradicts with itself. So why begin trading with leverage in the first place? If you want low risk, go without any leverage, like spot market, stocks, crypto, or bonds, index funds, that kind of thing, you know, if you want low risk. But if you're trading Forex, futures, or anything with leverage, like gold futures, Bitcoin futures, you should go all in your account. You should know that it is a high-risk activity, high-risk trading, and go big or go home. Because you can only lose 100%, right? But the potential, you can gain 1,000 or 2,000%. It's unlimited. You see? You get what I'm saying? My teaching is a little bit different than other guru and mentors, but for me, it works. Hey, I've made more than $1 million. Do you want that too? This is my way. This is our way. Okay? Second mistakes that beginners usually make is using stop losses on their leverage trading account. So when you're trading Forex or futures, you should know that is using a very high leverage. Like this gold futures here, I'm looking at Fortune Markets here. This is using, let me check, 500 times leverage, 500x leverage. It's a high risk activity. So you should not use stop loss. It's the same like my first reason. Why did you try to lower your risk but also lower your potential gains while you try to make the potential gains higher but also make the risk higher by using leverage? It contradicts with itself. Same reason like my number 1 trading mistake. Next, number 3. This is now the third most common mistake that beginners usually make. Trade using the money that you can't afford to lose. So you should only deposit the money that you feel comfortable. If you blow it, if you lose it, no problem. It won't hurt you financially. I think this is a good way of trading. And you know, this advice, this mistakes is related with the number 1 and number 2 advice before. Because if you try to use stop losses, you trade with small lot sizes, well, you will feel invincible. You will feel that you can't lose. Your losses are limited. Then what will happen? You will start to deposit more and more and more money. You start depositing money you can't afford to lose, your life savings. That's what happened. I've seen it over and over again happens to everybody. Especially if you trade with stop losses, small lot size, you will feel that, oh, Forex, futures, leverage trading, oh, it said it's high risk, but I felt like, oh, it's not high risk, it's low risk. That is exactly what will happen if you try to use stop loss, small lot sizes. For me, I think you should flip your mindset, change your mindset to think that, oh, okay, this is a high risk activity. I could blow all my account here. Thus, I should only deposit the money that I'm comfortable if I lose it. You see? Change your mindset. You go all in, but you only deposit small amount of money that you feel comfortable even if you lose it all. Okay? Next, number 4, trading mistakes. Focusing on how to not blow your account. So it's all related. Instead of focusing on how to not blow your account, you should accept that blowing your account, it's okay. Change your mindset. Because if you're focusing on how to not blow your account, what will happen is point number 1 and point number 2, just like before. You started using small lot sizes, stop losses. I think that's not good. It's better for you to go all in, and you will feel okay if I blow my account. Because just like what I said, the potential is 1,000, 2,000%, but the risk is only 100%. You should think that way. So even if you blow your account 4, 5, 6 times in a row, it's okay. And because you can make it all back, even get some massive profit with just one win, one winning trade, and you can make it all back plus some nice little profits. Not little, hefty profits. You get what I'm saying here? So I think the best way for you to trade with leverage or high risk instrument is to go all in. Not all in, put all of your life savings, but the moment you put your money in, you go all in with that money. So your stop loss, you change your mindset. So your stop losses is your stop outs. So when you hit margin call, your account goes to 0, it's okay. It's your stop loss anyway. So your cut loss or stop losses, what you normally do, change that into your account balance. If you want to start trading, you can use Fortune Markets. This is the broker I use. I think now Fortune Markets is one of the best brokers in the world because there's thousands and thousands of brokers and trading platforms out there. You need to choose the good one. And Fortune Markets, it ranks amongst the top. Why? First, because they have very low trading fees. You trade with basically almost no cost because they have 0 commission, 0 overnight fees, they have 0 deposit and withdrawal fees. But also, you're only paying for spreads, and the spreads are almost 0. So you're trading for basically almost free. So you don't have to worry about fees here. It's very tiny. Number 2, they got a solid reputation and regulation. So your funds, your money is safe with Fortune Markets. Why? Because as you can see, you can check all over the social media. Fortune Markets is very popular. Everyone uses it. You can search Trader A, Trader B, Trader C. They are all starting to use Fortune Markets. They are leaving their old brokers and switching to Fortune Markets. Because, yeah, we're very good at Fortune Markets. You can trust your money here. And for the regulation, our regulation is very strong. UK regulated, superpower, very good. And last, if you are into affiliate marketing, Fortune Markets has one of the best affiliate program in the world. Or maybe in Forex, the term is IB program. You get 70% revenue sharing as an IB or affiliate, and it's among the highest in the world. Normally, other brokers only gives you maximum 40 to 50% of the fees paid by the clients, but Fortune Markets gave back 70% of their revenue. So the money is from people distributed to the people, from people for the people. So yeah, it's very good. Very good in that sense. They only take a very small cut for their operational use, but yeah, that's it. Yeah, Fortune Markets is one of the best in the world. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon down below. Thank you for watching, and peace out.